Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I can see here 22 children. 22 children. Yuvraj is absent, not here. Sia is not here. Shivansh is not here. Raghav is not here. Pihu is not here. Naman is not here. Lavish not here. Kavneet. Ishit. Ishmit. Ishmit is here. Ishmit is here. Harihar is not here. Harshita is not here. Arnav Bansal not present. Anshul is here. Aman is here. Aman. No, Aman is not here.
Ma'am, yes.
Where is Aman? Yes.
Ma'am.
I can see only 22 participants. Now I am starting with the chapter number 4. Today we'll simply learn what is we'll revise the properties of quadrilaterals, as well as we are going to learn. I'll show you through a video first how to construct a quadrilateral. First I'll show you the whole video. Then I will tell you people to write the question, draw a rough sketch, write the steps. Those who have the instrument, they can construct. Otherwise, construction can be started from tomorrow. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Krish, put your video properly. Put your video properly. Yes. Why did you turn it? Rotate it. Yes. Can you all see the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no.
Yes, ma'am.
The chapter name is Practical Geometry, chapter number 4. And in this chapter, first we are going to tell you what is a geometry. Geometry means it's a branch of mathematics that is concerned with shape, size, and position of figures, and their properties also. And geometry came from the word geometron. Geo means earth, metron means measurement. Kavneet is coming now. I need to lock the meeting also. I'm allowing her, otherwise I have to lock. This way class get disturbed. Now, geometry is very important. It plays very important part in our life. Now we are going to learn the construction of quadrilaterals. See, the quadrilateral has 10 parts. It has got 10 parts, 4 sides, 4 angles, and 2 diagonals. And one can construct a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral, if he or she knows 5 measurements. Kulpreet bolo. Kulpreet bolo.
Mom, there's something box over the lines so that I cannot see the lines in the PPT.
It was a message. Whenever the box comes, 2 participants have raised the hand. This is written on the. Are you all able to hear me properly, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Krish, Hanji bolo Krish. Krish, any query? You have raised the hand.
मैम पहले आपकी आवाज ठीक नहीं आ रही थी, अब ठीक आ रही है।
This
मैम आपकी
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Because
Yes,
you all have
ma'am.
started speaking. Let me just mute you people
Yes,
then.
ma'am.
Now, how can you construct a quadrilateral? आप तभी बना सकते हैं quadrilateral if you know 4 sides and 1 diagonal, और if you know 2 diagonals and 3 sides, मतलब कम से कम minimum 5 parts आपको मालूम होने चाहिए. 2 adjacent sides, adjacent means continuous sides and 3 angles, or 3 sides and 2 included angles. The first case is you need to keep a book also, your textbook also along with you. एक textbook, एक copy और geometry box. It is must for this class. The first case of quadrilateral is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. When 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Am I clear, children? Children, am I clear? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to. I'm stopping this share. I'll start with the construction. I'll show you a video where
अरे यार फिर से गिर गया.
you will learn. Can you all see the video?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now this
Yes,
video
ma'am.
will help you because we are doing online. Class में करते तो बेटा ma'am would have shown you on the board. Now ma'am will show you once. पहले बिल्कुल ध्यान से देखेंगे कैसे construct किया. फिर I am going to play it again step by step. You all are going to construct with it. एक step के साथ आप construct करते जाएंगे. पहले आप सिर्फ देखो ध्यान से how it is showing.
Construct a quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given.
When 4 sides
Let us
and 1
take the
diagonal
given
are given.
example. Example. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB equals 4.5 centimeter, BC equals 5.5 centimeter,
First you will draw a rough sketch.
CD equals 4 centimeter, AD equals 6 centimeter, and diagonal AC equals 7 centimeter.
Copy down this beta. Case 1, write down case 1. When 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. When 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Write the question, draw the rough sketch. Rough sketch can be drawn with a freehand. You don't need a ruler for it. आपने quadrilateral draw करना होता है. Accordingly, जो आपकी measurements दी हैं, वो measurements वहाँ पर लिखनी होती हैं. Please note down. Once you are done, you are going to tell me. Once you are
मैम एक बार मैं
done,
वापस बता दो.
हैं? अभी तो कुछ
मैम
दिखाया
वापस बता दो.
दिखाया ही नहीं कुछ. सिर्फ आपको क्वेश्चन बताया है और ये रफ स्केच दिखाया है. क्वेश्चन और रफ स्केच दिखाया है देव. नथिंग इज बीन शोन. अभी आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप कंस्ट्रक्शन दिखाएंगे. Am I clear, Dev? Dev, am I clear? Please reply, Dev. Am I clear?
Ma'am, there is no Dev in our class.
Who asked me the question?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
correct.
Okay. Write the question. Draw the rough sketch. Then I will show you the steps. Twice I'll show you. Don't worry. बिल्कुल परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैम आपको एक बार दिखाएंगी. फिर आप ज्योमेट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के साथ बैठ के बार-बार. ठीक है? Okay. I'm moving it next.
Solution. The rough sketch of quadrilateral ABCD is shown in the figure. Step 1. Draw the line segment AB
अब ध्यान से देखो कभी
equals 4.5 centimeter.
Understand, try to understand.
Step 2. With A as center, draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter and with B as center, draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. Both the arcs cut each other at C. Step 3. Join AC and BC. Step 4. With C as center, draw an arc of radius 4 cm and with A as center, draw an arc of radius 6 cm. Both the arcs cut each other at D. Step 5. Join AD and CD. ABCD is the required quadrilateral.
Yes, children. Once I have shown you. कुछ समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, should we start constructing?
Yes, ma'am.
अब दोबारा से देखते हैं और एक एक करके स्टेप दिखाएंगे और एक एक करके आप साइड बाय साइड यू विल बी डूइंग. Am I clear, beta? Am I clear? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do we have to write the step of construction?
Yes, you have to write the steps of construction. You have to write. ऐसा करो पहले लिख लो steps फिर. Write the steps. I am giving you 5 minutes. Write the steps. Are you all writing? Children, are you writing?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, लिखो आराम से. Take your time. फिर ma'am will show you this video again. Ma'am will show you this video again. हाँ जी.
मैम शेष फोन करके बोल रहे कि मैम उसको ले लेने को, मैम को नेटवर्क किसी से बाहर हो गया था.
I'll try. I cannot see him. Shreyash, okay. I hope he is able to join.
Ma'am, there's a box in front of screen.
Box is coming. You have logged the meeting now. I think box is there. Box is nothing, beta. Your instructions. Have you all written, beta? Tell me when done. I will again show the video. We are going to construct step by step beautifully. This is the best way of doing it. We can't help other than this. At this moment of time, I can't show you better than this. And if you want, I can share this link also in Google Classroom. Don't worry. Okay? I'll share this link in Google Classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
Should we start the video again?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
और लिखो बेटा जल्दी से लिखो.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Okay, I'm starting.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Okay, we have now take out ruler, pencil. One by one, I'm going to show you again the steps. Lot of disturbance from the back. Put your audios off, children, beta. Yes, I'm starting the solution and I'll stop in between each step.
The rough sketch of quadrilateral ABCD is shown in the figure. Step 1. Draw the line segment AB equals 4.5 centimeter.
The same way I do in the class. अब draw करेंगे सब लोग. Draw a line segment AB of measurement 4.5 centimeter. Have you all drawn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next step
Yes,
is
ma'am.
next step is
Step 2. With A as center, draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter, and with B as center, draw an arc of radius.
first draw an arc from A. Open the compass for 7 centimeter. A जो center का मतलब है आपने metal point को A पे रखना है और you have to draw an arc of 7 centimeter and from B with B at the center you have to draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter. Draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter and both these arcs will cut each other at C. Both these arcs will cut each other at C. Have you all done till here, beta? Have you all got across? Children, please reply. Children, please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next step.
5.5 centimeter. Both the arcs cut each other at C. Step 3. Join AC and BC.
Join karo AC and BC. Next.
Step 4. With C as center, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter, and with A as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter.
Now from using C as a center, मतलब C पे compass रखेंगे metal point. You will draw an arc of 4 centimeter. From A, you will draw an arc of 6 centimeter. And you're going to get a cross, which is really a D point.
Both the arcs cut each other at D. Step 5. Join AD and CD. A.
Now, once we have joined AD and CD. Yes, bolo beta.
Can you please repeat how to draw D?
D. Okay, so step 4 is D. C से एक आर्क लगाया बेटा 4 सेंटीमीटर का और A से लगाया 6 सेंटीमीटर का. One arc from C and one arc from A. Okay? One arc from C, one arc from A. Is that clear? Children, please answer me back.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Were you all able to draw this properly?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm stop sharing this. I'll come back to the PPT. I don't know what's wrong with my speakers. Now, children, just tell me, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Better
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
Better audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, were you all able to understand first type of construction?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आपको ऐसा करेंगे, एक और क्वेश्चन दिखाएंगी, उसका रफ स्केच ड्रॉ करेंगे. अभी जितना टाइम बचा है हमारे पास, हाउ मच टाइम इज लेफ्ट? आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी.
5 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay, I'll show you one more question of the same type. अभी हम इसको और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. And see here. Question is, write down the question, beta. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 5 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter, CD is 6 centimeter, DA is 6.5 centimeter, and AC is 8 centimeter. Have you noted down the question?
No, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन कॉपी
No,
करो
ma'am.
बेटा, क्वेश्चन नोट करो. रफ स्केच मैम बनवा रही हैं, कोशिश ट्राई करेंगे खुद कंस्ट्रक्ट करने का, तो अदरवाइज मैम विल शो यू द कंस्ट्रक्शन टुमारो अगेन. वी कैन क्रॉस चेक. इज दैट क्लियर?
मैम डन.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी,
Excuse me,
हाँ जी.
ma'am, can you please just see कि मतलब सही बना है कि नहीं बना?
You can share the picture of this in Google Classroom. I'll check. Okay. Am I clear, beta?
Done, ma'am.
Or so, who all are
Ma'am, you can
done?
see the image.
मैम डन.
Yes, I
Ma'am,
can
can
see
you
the
see the
image.
image?
I'll just.
I'm done.
I have to stop sharing. Then I'll do. I'll check in the last. Don't worry. बस क्वेश्चन नोट करो और एक रफ स्केच ड्रॉ करते हैं, फिर मैम चेक करती हैं आपका काम. देखो इधर रफ स्केच ड्रॉ कर लो फटाफट से. रफ स्केच में आपको साइक्लिक ऑर्डर याद रखना है. साइक्लिक ऑर्डर मतलब ए बी सी डी का. ए यहाँ लिखा, अगर बी यहाँ, सी यहाँ और डी यहाँ. ऐसे नहीं कर सकते ए यहाँ और बी सामने. ए हैज टू बी, इफ यू आर राइटिंग स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ए हियर, either B can be written here or B can be written here only. Then draw the diagonal. AC is given. Write the measurements. Draw the rough diagram, beta. Draw the rough diagram. It will help you to for construction. It will help you in construction once you draw the.
Ma'am, I have made B in the position of D.
It's fine. It's fine. But write measurements properly. Write measurements properly. Have you done till here?
Done, ma'am. Done. Done.
Very good. Very good, children.
Yes.
I'm done.
Now I am coming back the gallery view. You can show me your work. Who was asking whether I have done right or wrong? Show me your work. I'll pin video. Who is this Kulpreet? Let me check. Please write the measurements here. Write the measurements, beta. Write the measurements.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Then I'll again check. Write the measurements. Who else? Who else want to show me? Who is this Hamza? Let me just show it. When I pin video, you all can see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hamza
you have
has
to spotlight it.
pin video is also the same. Can you all see the figure of Hamza?
Yeah, it is same.
Yes,
Pin-
ma'am.
Okay. Hamza, थोड़ा सा copy पीछे करो बेटा, थोड़ी सी. हाँ हाँ हाँ. Now you can see the construction. Somebody else want to show? Anybody else want to show?
Ma'am,
Anybody
me
else?
मैंने लिखी है. Ma'am, मैंने लिखी है. Can you just see?
I'll see again. Yes. Yes. Anybody else want to show?
Ma'am, can you construct question number, the diagram of question number 2?
You have to construct. You have to construct. I thought I'll not be able to complete, so I thought let me just at least explain you the rough sketch. You start drawing. Children, you start drawing.
Ma'am, is it right?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Kulpreet.
हाँ ठीक है बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
Should I start removing you people? Should I start removing you people? Or should I leave the class? Show me your work. Divyan, show me your work.
1 second, ma'am. 1 second. Come to iPhone. Goodbye.
Apurva, were you able to draw? You are not going to put your videos off in any case. You still think I am joking? From tomorrow, I am going to remove the child as soon as video will be off. I'll remove the child.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you just show the sketch that you showed us right now of the second question?
Sketch. Did I just showed you the question? Let me just
Yes,
check.
ma'am.
Wait. Let
Ma'am,
me
I've
check. This one. You can draw in some other order also, but
Yes,
measurement should be correct. अगर आपने B यहाँ लिखा है तो यहाँ पे आप 5 centimeter लिखोगे. The order can be different, but it has to be
Thank you,
proper.
ma'am.
A, B, C, D, like this. Okay. Kulpreet, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay. It's okay.
Very good. Apurva, will you show me your construction? Have you constructed?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I have no compass, so I have
Okay,
not
doesn't matter.
constructed
Have you
my
written the
compasses.
steps? Have you written the steps?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
show me tomorrow. Others will show me tomorrow.
And my steps.
Okay, ma'am.
The steps are fine. Steps are fine. Show me the construction. Who will show me? Divyansh, have you drawn? Constructed? Mahen, have you constructed? Tanzil, have you constructed?
Ma'am, I didn't have
Okay.
compass.
See, the class can be enjoyed the most. So today was the first class, it's okay. Otherwise, I thought I'll show you a video only to explain in the quadrilateral. But in the previous class, children were very excited to draw also. So I started the construction. So from tomorrow with full swing, we all are going to start construction. In 1 week, we are going to draw 4 different type of quadrilaterals. I'll try 2 of each kind. एक वीडियो में से करेंगे और एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप करेंगे. Am I clear? एक क्वेश्चन एनसीईआरटी का करेंगे और एक क्वेश्चन वीडियो से करेंगे. If you want, I can share you the video. At least the video part, you can cross check your work. Okay, children? I'll share the link of the video in the Google Classroom to cross check the work. Construction. Check your, I'll write down, check your construction using the link. Using the link mentioned in the link box. I'll share the link. Still, is there anybody in the class who is having any kind of problem? Please share your doubts. I am here to solve your doubts. Pranay, were you able to construct? Pranay, were you able to construct?
मैम मेरी मम्मी ने अभी मुझे कंपास और वो दिया है रूलर.
कोई बात नहीं. कल करके लेके आएंगे. कल tomorrow show me. Okay. Prableen, did you all note down the steps?
Yes, ma'am.
So this way, if we'll continue this way, will we be able to learn construction? हम सीख पाएंगे ना construction?
Yes, ma'am.
Teachers are trying hard. हम लोग बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि आपको बेस्ट तरीके से सिखा पाएं. We are trying best. This is the only way at this moment. Online, we cannot teach you better than this. Even in class, do you remember I used to show you the steps using data edge. Data edge से दिखाते थे ना आपको, क्योंकि उसके बिना समझ ही नहीं आती है steps. Or I would have used
extra marks.
Extra marks or data edge. Or I used to use a big compass, big ruler, and you all used to construct with me. Right now, it's not possible. So this was the best way. I'll show you videos twice, thrice, जितनी बार बोलेंगे. One by one, step by step, you will construct here. Easily in one period, we can draw 2 constructions. We can easily construct 2 quadrilaterals. Today was the first day. Some of you did not have the material. From tomorrow, we'll be able to construct 2 quadrilaterals every day. Okay, children? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Any query?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
Ishit, Ishmit, why your videos are off? Akriti is showing. Let me just pin her video. Everybody can see then. Yes. Yes, this is a main sketch she has done. Very good. Good. Who else has drawn? I wanted to see the difference between pin video and spotlight. Ishit, have you drawn? Have you constructed?
Ma'am, yes.
Show me. Show me your work, beta. Spotlight and pin is same. Show me. Show me your notebook. Write the measurement, beta. Write the measurement, and this joining is little error. There is error in joining. यहाँ से आप ठीक से join करेंगे last point से. और write A, B, C, D से ठीक से join करेंगे. And write the measurement also. AB का कितना measurement है, BC का कितना measurement है, CD का कितना है, और AD का कितना, और AC का कितना. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Very good. I'm really happy. I'm really happy that my children are learning. Anybody has any query?
No, ma'am.
So from tomorrow, I need not to remind you, keep your geometry box ready. Keep your geometry box ready.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
We'll construct daily 2 to 3 quadrilaterals, whatever number is possible. Okay? One I have constructed.
Yes, ma'am.
One example I have taken
Yes,
from
ma'am.
book, one from the video. That will help you to understand better. Okay, children, goodbye. Take care. I'll share the video.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
God
Thank
bless
you,
you
ma'am.
all.
Bye.
Enjoy the
Bye,
class.
ma'am.
Did you all enjoy
Yes,
the class?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye. God bless you all.